You will need Quartzgrip flat plate, saw blade suitable for cutting stone, tape measure, pencil marker, adhesive, stainless steel screws and raw plugs. Step 1. Cutting. Lay the panel face down and cut to size using an untoothed blade. It's always best to cut face down, as cutting face up may blunt the blade or grab the material. Step 2. Fitting. Lay the panel face down, measure, mark and drill. As a rule of thumb, leave a 50mm perimeter and drill 6 holes per square metre. Avoid any trip hazards by turning the panel over face up and countersink the drill holes to create a flush fit. Drill pilot hole onto the substrate you are fitting to. Plug each hole with adhesive or silicone sealant and apply a liberal squiggly S shape to the back of the flat plate panel. Screw flat plate securely in place, ensuring screws are not protruding. Clean away any dust or debris and hose down once adhesive has hardened. Contact sales at steponsafety.co.uk or call us on 01206 396446 or visit our website www.steponsafety.co.uk.